Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. Just want to mention that for those that wonder if Windows 12 is still a thing, because I still get messages about it, this year's big update, Microsoft has officially announced that the big new Windows version this year is Windows 11 24H2. So there's no Windows 12 this year. It's official. It's over. Don't even ask about it. It's not there. Microsoft announced it a few days ago. There were some little discrepancies where some were saying that it's not what they said, and yes, it is. So Windows 11 24H2 is the next big version of Windows. And this is why, if you're on the Canary channel and the dev channel, you might have noticed that starting with the latest builds, we have moved on to version 24H2. So this is really the name of the next big update. Is Windows 12 completely over and will not happen? Windows 12 is probably a thing still, but it's not for now. And it could be next year, maybe not. I think what's happening is that a lot of the internal discussions just rolled out to say, look, Windows 10 is still very popular. Windows 11, we're going to let it continue and continue in its slow rise and see where it goes. And by having new versions like this, it will eventually gain more momentum, that's for sure. And that is probably a good idea, because why start screwing around with different versions, new versions, and make more and more people on different versions where it's going to complicate things, where you can just have the core of your workers, and developers in just a handful of versions to make things go forward. So the next major version of Windows, it is official. It is Windows 11 24H2. And this has been first announced by Zach Bowen. That is well known, and usually when he says something, pretty much what happens at the Microsoft side of things. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.